For decades, the Toyota HiLux has been more than just a vehicle. It has been a global symbol of unbreakable durability, a mechanical cockroach that refuses to die regardless of the abuse heaped upon it. However, as we move into 2026, the legendary status of the HiLux is being challenged by a new breed of sophisticated high-tech rivals like the Ford Ranger and the electrified BYD Shark 6. No longer can a manufacturer rely solely on a reputation for reliability when the market is demanding car-like comfort, massive digital screens, and hybrid efficiency. This brings us to the 2026 Toyota HiLux Rugged X, the spearhead of Toyota's latest adventure lineup. The question for 2026 is simple. Can you teach an old dog new tricks? The HiLux has undergone a significant facelift, but as any seasoned automotive journalist will tell you, a fresh coat of paint and a new grille rarely solve deep-seated platform issues. This update is a calculated counterattack intended to prove that the HiLux is still deserving of your attention in a world increasingly dominated by cut-price disruptors and ultra-refined dual cabs. Today, we are breaking down the 2026 Rugged X to see if its new, comfort-biased suspension and striking aesthetics are enough to keep it on the throne, or if it is finally starting to show its age against more modern competition. The mechanical soul, suspension, and handling. The most critical update for the 2026 HiLux, and specifically the Rugged X, is hidden beneath its muscular sheet metal. For years, the primary criticism of the HiLux was its punishingly hard ride, a characteristic of a suspension tuned for heavy payloads that often felt skittish when the tray was empty. In a bold move for 2026, Toyota has introduced a new comfort-biased suspension system for its upper-tier grades, including the Rugged X, SR5, and Rogue. This change is palpably better for the daily driver. By recalibrating the dampers and spring rates, Toyota's engineers have sought to provide a ride that is more composed and cocooned on the highway without sacrificing the vehicle's legendary off-road capability. Even the carryover heavy-duty suspension found in lower grades has been refined to be nicer, but it is the Rugged X that truly benefits from this comfort revolution. This makes the 2026 model a much more viable option for the lifestyle buyer, the individual who needs a workhorse during the week but wants a family-friendly cruiser for the weekend. However, while the ride is smoother, the HiLux still utilizes a ladder frame chassis and leaf springs in the rear, meaning it still can't quite match the plushness of a unibody SUV or the coil-sprung sophistication of some newer rivals. The rugged factor, strengths that matter. The Rugged X badge is not just a marketing gimmick, it signifies the most capable off-road variant in the HiLux stable. In the 2026 iteration, Toyota has leaned into its striking SUV design language to give the vehicle a more aggressive and modern presence. The strengths that matter for the Rugged X include its integrated heavy-duty components, steel bumpers, underbody protection, and a snorkel, all of which are factory-fitted and covered by Toyota's warranty. One of the most significant strengths of the 2026 HiLux is its reputation for premium engineering. While some cut-price Chinese cars are flooding the market with low prices, Toyota Australia remains relatively unfazed because they know their customers value long-term reliability and resale value over initial savings. The Rugged X caters to this pure-of-heart enthusiast who wants a vehicle they can trust in the middle of nowhere. Furthermore, the 2026 facelift has brought a fresh look that helps it compete with the bold aesthetics of the Ford Ranger. The vehicle feels like a proper tool for the job, rather than a toy. The power struggle, Powertrain, and the hybrid horizon. Under the hood, the 2026 HiLux continues to rely on its tried and trusted diesel engine, but there's a major change on the horizon. There's always an appetite for a HiLux plug-in hybrid, PHEV, and it is likely that this powertrain will arrive to rival the Ford PHEV and BYD Shark 6. For the current 2026 Rugged X, the focus remains on torque and efficiency within the traditional internal combustion framework. The current diesel powertrain is a chameleon. It's efficient enough for the city, but offers the shove required for heavy towing and off-roading. However, compared to the instant torque of the new generation of electric and hybrid utes, the HiLux can feel a bit old school. The 2026 model does benefit from smoother transmission shifts and better sound insulation, but it lacks the X factor of a fully modern electric drivetrain. For many loyalists, this simplicity is a strength because it means fewer complex electronics to fail in harsh environments. Interior and ergonomics, the double-edged sword. Inside, the HiLux has received a digital makeover to keep it relevant, yet it remains a double-edged sword. Toyota has refreshed the cabin with better materials and larger screens, but the sources are blunt about one fact: the HiLux is still old and cramped. The packaging is the vehicle's Achilles heel. While competitors have moved to wider platforms that offer family car levels of rear seat legroom, the HiLux feels tight for adult passengers in the back. On the positive side, Toyota has resisted the urge to hide every function inside a touchscreen. Much like the 2026 Kia Seltos, the HiLux retains plenty of buttons, which is a massive win for ergonomics and safety. Being able to adjust the climate control or volume with a physical dial while bouncing along a trail is a luxury that tech-heavy rivals have forgotten. Weaknesses to know, where the HiLux fails to stand out. Despite the palpably better ride and the striking looks, the 2026 Rugged X carries some significant weaknesses. 1. Aging platform. At its core, this is still a facelift of a platform that has been around for a long time. It doesn't stand out from the overachieving crowd in terms of pure innovation. 2. Cramped quarters. As mentioned, the interior volume is behind the segment leaders. 3. Safety scrutiny. While Toyota generally enjoys a high safety reputation, the segment is under pressure. For instance, recent seatbelt failures and brutal safety ratings for other brands like Suzuki show that no manufacturer can be complacent. 4. Price premium. The HiLux Rugged X is not a bargain. You are paying a premium for the Toyota badge and the peace of mind that comes with it, even if some rivals offer more kit for less money. Market context, the competition. The 2026 market is no longer a two-horse race between Toyota and Ford. The arrival of game-changing family SUVs and utes from brands like GWM and BYD are reshaping the landscape. The BYD Shark 6, for instance, offers a level of performance and technology that makes the HiLux seem rationalized rather than revolutionary. However, Toyota Australia's confidence stems from their belief that these new competitors are in a different world when it comes to the rugged, long-term durability that Australian and global buyers demand. The 2026 Toyota HiLux Rugged X is a fascinating study in incremental improvement. By introducing the comfort-biased suspension, Toyota has addressed the hard ride that was once its greatest deterrent, making the vehicle palpably better for everyday use. Its strengths, the factory-backed off-road hardware, the striking new design, and the plenty of buttons ergonomics, ensure that it remains a formidable adventure tool. However, we cannot ignore that it is an old dog trying to keep up with a pack of younger, faster, and more spacious hounds. Its cramped interior and aging platform are weaknesses that savvy buyers must consider. Ultimately, the Rugged X is for the buyer who prioritizes trust and reliability over the latest snazzy gadgetry. The person who needs a vehicle that slots into their life as an unbreakable partner. It is a ferocious and fitting continuation of a legend, even if it isn't a complete reinvention. If you found this deep dive, explained review helpful in navigating the complex world of 2026 utes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have a massive season of honest reviews and spec battles coming your way to help you find the car that's shockingly right for you. Let us know in the comments, Would you choose the unbreakable legacy of the HiLux or the high-tech power of its new rivals? We'll see you in the next one. The 2026 Toyota HiLux Rugged X is like a classic heavy-duty Swiss Army knife that just got a new ergonomic grip and a sharper blade. It might not have the digital screen or the built-in GPS of a modern smart tool, but when you're out in the wilderness and things get tough, it's the one tool you'll reach for because you know it won't break when you need it most.